Welcome to my channel. The chapter 1, The Living World. Questions and answers. Which is the first steps in taxonomy? Identification of organism. Taxonomically known number of species is 1.7 million. The smallest unit of classification is species. Family is placed between order and genus. The biological name of mango, Mangifera indica. Which is the highest unit of classification? Kingdom. Who proposed the term taxon for plants? H.J. Land. What is the scientific name of human beings? Homo sapiens. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.